today's adventure, replacing that on this 2008 Jeep Wrangler, and I gotta go up on those ramps, so I'm setting up the camera so I can see what I'm doing, because I don't have anybody here to watch me. So I'm gonna set up the camera to watch me do it, so I know when to stop. Let's set this bugger up somewhere. I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason as soon as I hook up the phone to the GoPro, it stops recording the audio. So I am hooking it up so I can put the iPhone on my dash so I can see driving up on the ramps, and I know when to stop, since I don't have anyone out there spotting me. It's early morning, everybody's in bed, I'm the only one up. Up it goes. Perfect. Now I'm going to grab a couple blocks, put them underneath the wheels on the driver's side, just to make sure she doesn't roll backwards on me. She's in park and everything, but still, a couple blocks, little added security. A 4,500 pound vehicle drop on you is not a fun thing. Underneath here, you can get a good view of what I'm dealing with. Majorly rusted out skid plate. Up where we live, the snow is deep, the winters are cold, and the county dumps a lot of salt on the roads in the winter, and this is what it does to our vehicles. This is not a YouTube video of nice, clean, pristine vehicles. Up where I live, this is what we deal with. And it does not take long for this rust to just eat away at our vehicles. Major holes. And this skid plate is the OEM skid plate, and it literally holds the tank up. There are no straps holding that tank up. It is being held up by that skid plate. I got the skid plate, the OEM skid plate, off of Walmart.com for $312 delivered. Best price I could find. And I was actually surprised on how heavy that plate is. Alright, what we got going on here, I got several of these bolts out. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I mean, this thing is just rotted. I'm going after that bolt right up there. And then I got this one right here. I've gotten a couple bolts out already. That's not very nice. This thing was coming off earlier. Let's try a different one here. Alright, let's see here. I'm gonna be up in here trying to get that bugger out. Where's my flashlight? Okay. Let's hope I have some luck with this one. Oh yeah, just love this stuff. Oh yeah, got another one off. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, that one's off. That one's off. We got a jack stand right here holding up the tank. This actually already dropped. And I got that one rusted over here. And I got that little bugger right there. She's stubborn. And I got two up here. So I think I should probably get a jack stand, put it underneath the rusted skid plate. This is reality. This is reality. When you go on YouTube, you're like, oh, I gotta work on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. And everybody's got this nice, shiny, rust-free Jeep. Sliver. And in reality, it's not this nice, shiny, rust-free Jeep. It is a completely rust-encrusted Jeep. Especially if you live way up in the north like me, where the snow is deep, the winters are cold, and the county puts tons of salt on the freaking road. So that's the one that's going to be the problem right there. Yep, tank's about to come down. Oh yeah. So now there's absolutely nothing supporting this tank except this skid plate. So I'm gonna have to fish me a strap in here and winch that thing up there somehow. Oh, this is gonna suck because Jeep's on a heck of an angle. That's my bad. Alright, what do we got down here? We got oil. I got a big strap, small strap. That's the strap I want right there. That one. So now I'm going to have to pick this apart, fish it through. Alright, let's go crawl underneath here. Now, where is this boat? Yeah, this is gonna really be a pain in the butt. Really gonna be a pain in the butt. There's a big hole right here, and I gotta be able to come all the way down here. Like I said, I've been running on E for about 2 days now. Oh, you gotta love it. There we go. I gotta be able to see what I'm doing when that screen keeps turning off. Alright, shove that thing down there. There she she is right there. There we go. Now, we gotta do this, so I suppose drive shaft is good enough, eh? So let's throw this around the drive shaft. On here like this, like that. I have no idea what my hair looks like. Probably looks atrocious. I'm gonna put that through here. What can I hook you to? Just like that. Okay, that tank is up in the air. Now, I'm going to go back to getting the one bolt out. So, I'm going to pause the camera for now. Now, I'll go back to it after dealing with the phone. Breaker bar extension, a ratcheting thing for the breaker bar, the handle off a floor jack. I don't know why, but this one is really biting tooth and nail here. Oh, maybe I can get her with the impact now. Holy hamhackers. Holy crap. There it is. Holy crap. Ah, that sucked. I gotta go get my glasses. They're right over there. Whew. There's a reason I'm still skinny. Now, the only thing holding this up, that bolt, that cross member which is attached to the skid plate for the transfer case, and that's about it. Got a problem right here. This is not the factory bolt. Factory bolt is actually broke off. I'll see what I'm going to do about that after I get it down. But it's looking pretty sad here, so I'm going to take that bolt out, kick this out, and technically that thing should drop to the ground. I hope. Famous last words. Handle for the floor jack. It's over there. This is kind of a neat little thing here. It's a ratcheting gizmo for breaker bars. Yeah, it's kind of neat. First time I used this thing. It's my old man stuff. And what does it say on it? Snap on. Yeah, that's a snap on. Those toolboxes are older than I am. My old man's a retired mechanic. We live way up north where the snow is deep, the winter's cold, and the county uses a lot of salt on the road. A lot. Now let's get ready to take that freaking last bolt out. See if I can get the tank down, or the skid plate down. This ought to be fun. Alright. I have no idea how this is going to work out. That was easy. Alright. Now what happens when I hit that floor jack? Well, like I said, I feel bad for all those guys that sit there and do this stuff. They go to these videos and they're working on these pristine vehicles that got no rust.
Right. Looks like you got about 5 pounds of dirt too.
Oh heck, I already got rid of some of the dirt.
Plant corn.
I already got rid of some of the dirt. I got the strap on around the tank.
Oh.
Right now I'm trying to get that.
I think you have enough pressure on it. You're picking up the Jeep.
Now the only thing that should be holding up that skid plate
is rust.
Cross member for the transfer case. Well, I'll come back to this later. I'm stopping here for now. Holy hamhockers. Oh. The freaking jacks.
Look that jack.
Yeah, hooked on the hole in the jacks. There we go. Jack sandwiched right through the hole. At least that strap is holding up that tank. Let's drag this thing out. Wow, that is just gnarly. That is just gnarly. There. Take a look at what I got here. Not do any damage to this freaking plastic tank. Nope. The only bolt that's a problem is right here. They put on a bolt. The other bolt broke off or snapped off. So they got this thing in here. So I gotta take that off. Well, I'll figure that out one way or another. Sorry for not videoing the actual putting on of the skid plate, but I had done a little welding on the frame, patched, stiffened it up a little bit, then we took the floor jack and pushed it right up into place. And it went up the way it was supposed to. Got it all bolted in. Got it up in the air. It's all good. Looks good. And for some reason the GoPro has stopped recording audio again. Don't know why. But she is up and ready to come down now. Well, the Jeep is done, the skid plate is on. I hope this video was helpful, especially when you guys have vehicles like mine that have a ton of rust. Almost everything you can do on a Jeep you can do yourself. It's not hard, just takes a little time and a little tenacity to get it done. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back. I'll be posting videos periodically here and there. No set schedule. I post them as I do them. Have a great day. Ah, crazy wife is here. Hi.